Hi guys, this is Maloni Kamdar with Real Life Trading India, and today I bring you a list of tickers that I will be watching in the upcoming week for swing trades specifically. So let's get started. I am really excited about this Nifty 50 chart. It's had a massive bull run, and we do think a pullback is due to the high RSI. So let's get looking at the 65-minute chart and see what we see. So for this one, I do know that if this level fails right over here at the gap fill region, then I know we will come back and retest this level right here. And so I will be keeping a close eye on this level right here. And if it fails and we have some sideways movements, then I will look to short it from here to this gap fill area actually. And so let's keep a close eye in the upcoming week. The RSI is pretty high and things are looking a little bit extended, but I do want you to be careful because the weekly chart actually looks extremely bullish. So yeah, this will be a quick swing trade or perhaps a day trade even. Could work either way. SENSEX looks exactly the same on the 65-minute chart. And so that's my plan for that as well. The RSI is pretty high up there on the 65-minute chart for SENSEX. And so I'm looking to see if this level gets breached. I do love this inside candle, this green inside candle right here, this little bullish consolidation, and then a fail of that. And so I will be keeping a very close eye on this level right here breaking, and then we will come back and retest this area. And hopefully we can get a bounce from there. If not, then maybe trail your stops and look to see if you can get a higher short profit. All right, the next one on the list is Orbit Exports Limited. So the 1 hour chart on this one, or the 65-minute chart, whichever one you like to look at, looks extremely bullish for a breakout. So I really like this trend line break right here. And we kind of came back and retested it. I love that we took out all of this bear volume with this big candle. I love that we're having bull momentum, and so I will be looking to trade this in the bullish direction. This trend line break actually also feels so all of this resistance right here also got cleared with this trend line break, and so I truly like this chart for bullish momentum to the upside. So let's look for an entry over here somewhere. Give me 1 second. Let's pull up. All right, so I will be looking to play this to the bull side, and so entry somewhere over here. Stop below this hammer candle right here. Just give it some room to breathe a little bit. Maybe it might come back to retest this trend line. Let's move this stop down a little bit. How about we move it right over here? Okay, perfect. All right. I do like this setup a lot. So let's see how this plays out. And our target could be up in this region. All right. Okay, perfect. All right, so I will be setting this up as an official trade, and hopefully we get a good run out of it. Let's move on to AMRUTANJAN Health. I do like this 1 hour chart as well. Now I had drawn out fibs on it earlier from this low level to the most recent high. And I love that we failed the 236 level. I love this bull flag so much, and I love an entry at the 50% retracement. So I am looking to trade this in the bullish direction. I love all of this bull volume. And then even though we've had very many bear candles, the bear volume really hasn't picked up, except for maybe this one and this one right over here. But until we take out these two bull candles, I don't think anything dramatic is going to happen. So I do like this for a bull entry. Let's set this up as an official trade as well. So entry right over here at the 50% level, and I would like to do a stop level at right below this bull candle, and it coincides with our 618 level as well. So that should work. And let's see how it plays out. I don't have any predetermined targets yet, but I think this 236 level should be a good target. So I will put that in as well in my OCO order. Maybe even a little bit higher shouldn't hurt. Okay, perfect. All right. I want you guys to take a look at this. This risk to reward is fantastic for this trade. So I like this a lot. Let's hope we get filled, and then let's see how it goes. India tourism, IDTC. I was looking at this earlier and like that it has bounced with extremely high volume every single time it has touched this trend line. It's coming fairly close to it. So I'm going to keep an eye on this and see if we can get a trend line bounce this time as well. On the daily, I do love this inverse head and shoulders kind of formation. And as you can see, the bull volume is picking up over here. So I do like this formation that's happening right now. Maybe by 10% or maybe by 20% of your shares at this 10 EMA touch, and then see if we get a run, or if we get a trend line touch, then maybe get filled all the way. All right, moving on to JBM Auto. Love this inside candle. Now, if we show weakness at open and open below this inside candle, I will look to short it, maybe down to the 485 area. And if we open above this candle, then I will look to take it long. This is for a day trade. Now, for a swing trade, I do like this bull flag type of formation that's happening. Look at what happened previously when it did that kind of number. And so, it kind of sideways chopped around a little bit and then popped with this big volume. So I do like this. I'm going to keep a close eye on this one as well, and see where we go from there. Okay. Gujarat Narmada. This one, GNFC. This one, I liked the daily chart a lot. I love all of this bull volume. And granted, somebody might say, one can argue that we're getting kind of extended with the RSI, but the chart is looking extremely bullish. So I'm looking for a good bull entry, maybe down to the 10 EMA level. That might, I'm not sure if we're going to get filled for a weekly swing trade for that. I do like this trend line break. Guys, let's set up a bull entry on this one. Let's do some fibs and see where we can find a good entry on this. Look at these tweezer bottoms. All the signs on this chart are screaming bullish. So let's see if we can find something for a good entry. The 382 level, or even the 50% level, would be kind of touching this trend line again. Let's set it up over here. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my entry at the 50% retracement off this. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 hour chart. Yep, looks good. I like it. If we break this trend line that's heading up, this ascending trend line, then undoubtedly we'll come back and retest this a little bit and then maybe go higher. I do like this high RSI, so yeah, let's look to trade it in the bullish direction. I've learned the very hard way not to trade against the trend. And so, yeah, let's look for a bullish entry. I'm gonna set it up right over here with my stop at the 618 level. I mean, there's no reason we should be taking out all of these bull candles, so it looks good to me. Let's see what a good target level would be. Target, and again, we can come back in the middle of the week and kind of assess and see how these things are going. If we got filled, if we're showing weakness at the 236 range, etc. Okay, this looks extremely good. Okay, I'm setting this up as an official swing trade as well. Another one I really liked is India Bulls Real Estate. This one has a similar setup too. And guys, I don't know if you can see this clear trend line break. Oops, excuse me. Sorry. All right. Let's try that again. This clear trend line break. And so I'm looking to get into this at the 50% or even the 618 where the trend line touch might happen. So I'm looking to get into this for a bullish trade. So let's set this up to, I like it extremely well over here. Sorry, guys. And then we will do a stop below these tweezer bottoms. This is looking good for a bull trade for sure. I'm loving all these tickers that are setting up for the upcoming week. I want you guys to keep in mind that I'm setting these up for maybe about a 1 to 2 week time frame. So yeah, that's how long you can expect to be in these trades. And hopefully we fare well with all of our setups. This one I had liked. This is the WELSPUNIND India ticker, and although the RSI is fairly high, I wanted to maybe do a sideways dance, and then this old resistance is going to act as support, and I'm looking to enter a trade over here at this region, and my stop will be down there. On the daily, it looks like it broke out of all of this resistance, 1, 2, and then with a massive bull volume candle. So I am looking for it to retest this level and then look for a bull entry over here. The RSI isn't really that high comparatively. It could go higher. So don't be afraid to take this in the bullish direction. I do like these somewhat tweezer bottoms. They're not perfect, but they do look good. Here's another not so perfect, but I mean, looks good for a bull run. So let's set this up as well. Another one was VOLTAS Limited. And this one, I love the high, really high RSI on here, and this perfect evening star reversal. So I am looking to do an entry below this candle. I like this increasing bear volume, decreasing bull volume. all of these bulls that bought over here are going to be somewhat trapped. So I'm looking for an entry. Actually, let's go ahead and adjust it a little bit. I'm looking for an entry a little bit below the 10 EMA. For a short, of course. And here will be my target, and here's a stop. I hope this helps you guys, and I hope we make tons and tons of R's this week with all of these tickers that we're setting up as an official trade. I hope everybody has a phenomenal week and a happy trading Monday. Goodbye, guys.